In this video guys, I will be sharing with you how you can deposit an e-transfer to your bank account. So an e-transfer will be sent directly to your email address and you'll receive an email like this, just like you can see on my screen. So what you're going to do is just select deposit money, scroll down from the list of financial institution, and then you're going to select your bank. So it opened the RBC mobile app, and then what I'm going to do here is that I'm just going to sign in to the app. So I'm going to sign in, and this is the security question for the e-transfer, right? So I'm going to provide the answer. So once you provide the answer, you select continue. Now I just need to select the account that I want the money deposited to. So I'm going to select an account from the drop down list, and then now I'm just going to select deposit now. It's asking me if I'm ready to deposit, so here I'm just going to select deposit now, and that's it. The money has been successfully deposited to my account. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.